extremely eye-opening.
All right, Monica, so we are under that weather authority alert for a wind advisory here in the borderland. So if you're going outside, it feels cool out there and that wind doesn't help, right?
No, not at all. It is so cold out there this evening, and we're going to continue to see those winds for the rest of the work week. So it's not just today. We're not done with this wind event. Check it out. Right now, this is what we are seeing. We are definitely under that wind advisory. This wind advisory is pretty much going to pertain to El Paso, Las Cruces, Deming, Juarez, to their consequences, Alamogordo, and this is going to stay in effect until about 5 o'clock Wednesday morning. So all day Tuesday. It's not going to be until after that that we begin to see a high wind warning kick in for El Paso. This high wind warning means that those winds are going to be much stronger than what we are seeing them right now. Right now we'll see them anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour, gusting up to 45 miles per hour. Doing a high wind event, that means we'll see those winds anywhere between 30 to 45 miles per hour, gusting up to 60. So it is going to be a rather strong wind event on Wednesday. 45 degrees, that's where we're at right now. We're seeing those westerly winds at about 14 miles per hour, so that's not too bad. Gusting up to about 36 miles per hour. Now right now we're sitting at about 45 degrees in El Paso, 40 in Las Cruces, 46 in Juarez. We bring in that wind and all of a sudden we're feeling below freezing in Las Cruces, Deming. We're at about 39 degrees here in El Paso, so it's already feeling rather chilly. And as for how we compare, on average we're supposed to be at about 64 degrees. We managed to register 68, so it was a rather warm day today. 36 is how we started off this morning. Tonight into tomorrow morning we're expecting 37 degrees, so the only thing that's going to keep us above freezing will be the winds and the cloud cover. Here's the deal though, because of the winds, although our thermometer will register 37, our feels like temperature, what our body truly feels like, will be much colder than that. So make sure that you are bundling up and that you're bringing in your pets tonight. Make sure you don't leave them outside. It is a very cold night. Now we are definitely looking at our next storm system moving in, so we're already seeing a little bit of that snow trying to form from that first system. The second one will move through, and this one is expected to bring precipitation to our area as early as Wednesday morning. Now, I don't really see us seeing any kind of frozen precip Wednesday morning, so snow isn't really in our forecast, at least not for El Paso, but we are definitely looking at the possibility of precipitation that day. We'll keep a very close eye on it as we get closer, so tomorrow we'll get a better idea of what we are seeing. 61 degrees, that is your forecast high for tomorrow. Like I said, wind advisory all day Tuesday, westerly winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. In Las Cruces, we're forecasting 58, 60 in Juarez, and here is a look at your 9-day forecast. We're expecting to drop to about 50 degrees on Wednesday, 30% chance for that morning, high winds all day, and then 48 on Thursday. So Thursday, once the winds subside, that cold air will filter in, and that's what's going to drop us to about 48 degrees. 55 on Friday, so slowly warming. 66 Saturday, and then we'll see another round of potential rain Sunday, Monday of next week. I do want to give a big shout out to our very loyal weather watcher, certified weather watcher, Jaime Medrano. Thank you so much for allowing us to see those clouds casting shadows on the mountains. Look at how beautiful that photo is. And if you'd like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, go ahead and submit those beautiful weather photos to us through our social media platforms or email news@ktsm.com.